Hey guys, what's up? In this video we're going to teach you step by step how you can create a class for your students on Google Classroom really quickly. It is actually not rocket science, so let us get started. Head over to classroom.google.com. Make sure that you're logged into your account here in the top right corner with your Google or Gmail account, and here in the home section, guys, what you want to do is simply click on that plus icon in the top right corner, and after that select create class from the drop down menu. After that, go through that disclaimer here and confirm. So let me do that really quickly. After that, click on continue here and create your class, like give it a class name like, I don't know, test class or something like that, test class number 1. After that, add a section, a subject like, I don't know, biology, mathematics, history, and so on and so forth. Create a room, and that's basically it, guys. After that, confirm by clicking on create in the bottom right corner. That is going to create your class and add it to your list of classes here. So here you may, for example, create announcements, invite students to join your class, for instance, using that invite code, wait for your students to submit homework, and so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, it is actually very simple. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.